Okay, first, let's build our brains by playing another game of Simon Says, okay? So this time we have a new kind of rule called mixed up rule. So when I say touch your ear, you're going to touch your elbow instead, okay? So that's the one mixed up rule, so really listen for that. So when I say touch your ear, you're going to actually touch your elbow, okay? So Simon says touch your shoulders. Simon says touch your knees. Simon says touch your head. Good. Okay. Simon says touch your ear. Wow. Gosh, good job. Some of you got it. Wow, that is good. Okay. So let's do it a little more here. Simon says touch your knees. Simon says touch your hips. Okay. Simon says touch your ear. Oh my goodness, you guys are really doing a good job listening. So now we're going to throw in another mixed up rule. All right, so when I say touch your toes, you're actually going to touch your shoulders, okay? Yeah, all right. So we have the one where I say to touch your ears, but you're really going to touch your elbows. And then when I say to touch your toes, you're really going to touch your shoulders. Okay. All right, so Simon says touch your head. Ready, Conan? Okay. Simon says touch your knees. Okay. You're going to touch your knees too? Simon says touch your ear. Man, you guys are so good at that. Okay, Simon says touch your toes. Simon says touch your head. Simon says touch your ear. Simon says touch your hips. Simon says touch your knees. Simon says touch your toes. Good job. You guys are really listening on that. So what skills did you guys have to use to remember to do this game? Okay. Anthony. Listen, yes. Jarrell.
You should really talk in your head about because you should say tell yourself there's two mixed up rules and you do the different one from what it is.
Yeah, so you use self-talk to remember that in your head. You kept saying that over and over again. Okay, Waverly?
It's kind of like paying attention.
Yeah, you really had to focus your attention.